everybody, I hope you're okay today and welcome back to my channel. I am going to do something different today, so I do hope you'll like the video. Right, and I was going to carry on now. Just putting some more paint on it, just to cover it up absolutely everywhere. So when I can think, where have I put colours now? Right, let's have a little bit more light blue. You can see dark, not a lot dark, so let's just drop it everywhere. This one I just thought, all right, best plot it like this, bit there, everywhere. Let's see how it comes. It could come completely, utterly disaster, or it could work really well, because at the moment you can see things mixing here. Let's get a bit in the middle of this. What other colours do I need? Nothing, I don't think. I'm still going to put some more on. I'm going to put some more purple. I want to cut it quite a bit. Just a little bit that I missed. A little bit there, there. Put white on it. Where else? Right, dark blue. More, yeah. More stuff. Size covered, like I said, which are going out at the moment. Let's put there, put there, put down at the back, a little bit there. Is that paint there? No, that's paint there. Or there. Right. Let's go for hairdryer and see. Smooth this up a bit more. Oh, no, wrong way. Oh, smooth the video. Oh. this has come out really, really well. I'm just going to stick my cover the sides. You know, terrible. Like that. Right, it's just a little bit off. Okay, hang on a minute. Just a bit more. That's better. Right. Sides covered. Do you know what? I should have put this on my spinner. Alright. Give me a second. Right, let's see how this goes. Hopefully okay. Otherwise I'll find something else. That was not too bad. I'm gonna leave that. Let's see if I can move this bit over here. Not too much. Right. I know another one. Oh, I remember I used this before, that spoon. It's just taking up a bit of paint, just a little bit. And this is a bit like balloons as well. So, it's a bit silly really. I know I said I'm not going to use the balloon, but because this is only done a tiny little bit, I am. But only little bits where it is there, like that bit. Not come up on that. All that. Do it again. Nothing's coming up on that, so I'm going to leave it. Right. I'm not gonna, I like that, I'm gonna leave that. So it's only a spoon. That bit. Yeah, so take a bit of paint off of that one and put on this one. That looks nice and got colour on the back of that. Where should I put this? Anywhere that's bare. That's taking up that paint away. So that one not worked. Right. I'm not putting that anywhere else. Right. That is it. I'm doing no more. This is really, really well. Where that bit. Oh, doing it again. Tempt over it. Right. That's good. Right, that's it. I'm just going to go in my hot gun again and see what comes up.